Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Hermanowski from BMW of Freeport, and today I'm going to give you a little learning experience. We're going to teach you how to turn on your auto start for the 2019 X5. So I'm already in the vehicle. I'm going to go to Car. I'm going to go down to the Settings, and then we're going to go all the way to the right. You're going to see Climate Control. We're going to click on Climate Control. At the bottom of Climate Control, you'll see Preconditioning/Ventilation. We're going to click on that. And then at the bottom of this list, you'll see Remote Engine Start. So what I'm going to do is click there. From here, it'll say Start Engine for Climate Control. What we're going to do is click down. That will give us this little warning screen from BMW. Thank you, BMW. You can click OK, and now we're ready to go. Your car can now be started with the pushing. All right, guys, we move to the outside now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this logo 3 times. You'll see the car starting on. So now she's on. Preconditioning. I'm going to go over it and get in the vehicle. It's going to give us this warning sign. All we have to do is hit the start-stop button with our brake, and we are ready to go. As you can see, the car is running, warming up, and awaiting your arrival.